Hey, welcome. Today is March 15th. It is Monday. So today we do our intro class to C++. So today we talk about, hold on one second, the order of operations. So we have a little mathematics and coding because of course it uses numbers. So we define integers, which are whole numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, or zero, okay? And those are whole numbers. And then we talked about decimals in our C++ programming language, which are called doubles, or also floats, okay? And then we talked about specifically, again, the order of operations. So we use an acronym that most people use. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Talked about parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So here you can see we have our addition, our subtraction, our multiplication, division, and then here we have mods, which are percentages. With the percentages though, it just does a remainder. So when I run it, you can see at the bottom, it does actually compile it and run it. And it does add it as or subtract it. It just completes and carries out the equations, okay? So the compiler does run those equations and does give you an accurate answer. So essentially we have turned our compiler into calculators, which is pretty cool. We also took our assessment. So it was just 10 questions, pretty short, but pretty straight to the point. The scores were really high, which is good. So that means that retention rate is high. So that means they're learning and they're doing a great job. So other than the order operations and taking that assessment, we reviewed data types, which I will show in a second. And we'll probably see me talk about data types again, just because repetition is the key to learning. So we have been just pushing them to practice. So here's my sign-in. So, no, that's not. Okay. Here are data types, just to show that. So char grade again is a 1-byte character string phrase, int, and doubles, which are decimals, and bool is female or is male. And with booleans, you can only do true or false. And then here, I think, yeah, you can actually see where it's ran out. So we put it in our code like this and ran this. So we practiced this as well. Pretty straightforward. Everybody did a really good job again. They're doing so well in learning their C++ programming, and I'm so excited to see the continual growth. Thank you so much for tuning in.